In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a trip.com flight and request refund, a full guide. If you need to cancel a flight booked through trip.com, start by opening the trip.com app and signing into your account. Navigate to the My Trips or Flights section where your bookings are neatly listed. Select the specific flight you wish to cancel and tap Manage My Booking. From there, you'll see a Cancel Booking button. Tap it to begin the cancellation process. Once you tap Cancel Booking, the app will display any processing fees or cancellation charges that apply. Review the details carefully before proceeding. Trip.com usually deducts a service fee depending on the fare conditions, and this may affect your refund amount. After confirming the terms, tap Next, then Submit to finalize the cancellation request. As you can see from the official website, after submission, Trip.com will process your refund. Keep in mind that the refund may take a few days to reach your original payment method. The app does not guarantee instant refunds. It typically depends on the banking or card processing timeline. An important point to remember: refunds are often dependent on the ticket type you purchased. Non-refundable fares may not offer refunds, while refundable ones usually do, minus applicable fees. Trip.com doesn't typically provide refunds if you cancel simply because you've changed your mind. Refund eligibility is more often tied to airline policies or if you purchased additional refundable fare protections. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.